Yes. I'm not vain, I promise.
Let's fly away, just you and me. I need a little break from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to 86 Ambrosia. It's your girl Jenn, that's with 1 J and 2 N's, and this is my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here and this is your first time ever clicking on a vlog by your girl Jenn, welcome and thank you so very much for clicking on that thumbnail that brought you into this, or what I'm wearing for the first week of school. So this first week of school, get ready for me. So I am so super excited because actually, if I tell you the truth, we've been in school now for a week and 2 days. However, gifted or my classes start next week. So guys, I'm going to be sharing with you the pieces that I put together as I'm bringing my students in for the first week of gifted learning, for the first week of what we call ACE, which is academic and creative enrichment. Now, before we actually jump in, guys, I do want to say make sure that you are following your girl Jenn over on Instagram. I cannot stress that enough. Like, I think at this point, at the time I'm sitting down making this vlog, guys, I want to say that I have about 95,000 followers on Instagram. Your girl Jenn is like almost at the milestone of 100,000 followers. Like, I really don't think like I haven't really formulated in my mind what impact that is, what that means. 100,000 followers on Instagram as a small content creator. Wowzers. So make sure you're following your girl Jenn over on Instagram. I have lots of style content over there, and it's easier and quicker for me to upload on IG than it is on YouTube. So let's link up over on Instagram. So getting into Monday, guys, like, I feel like Mondays are the best day of the week. I know some people don't agree, but I like Mondays because it gives me a fresh start to my week and whatever like diet or workout plan or whatever I'm starting. Typically, I like to start on a Monday, right? The start of the week. So for Monday, guys, I'm doing a little play on prints. As you can see, I have on this super cute little button-up striped top that I did get from Marshall's, but I'll find one that is similar to this. I have on my Zara tuxedo-like pants, and then for the shoe, I have on these super cute little animal print ballet flats by Time and True that I actually got from Walmart. They are so super comfortable. So like I said, guys, Monday's look is like a play on prints. I'm taking this animal print and I'm placing them with the stripes, but what I'm doing is actually breaking up the prints by putting the animal print on my feet and then putting the stripes up top. And then I have these two really neutral solid colors in the middle because I have on these khaki colored pants, and then I have on this gorgeous leather belt bag that I got from the Banana Republic. Guys, this little belt bag just comes in so super handy, especially because I am an itinerant teacher, which just means that I travel between 2 schools. Yes, I have 2 schools that I teach at. So with that being said, guys, being able to throw this little belt bag on my waist, it holds my phone, my keys, my lip gloss, hand sanitizer, wrap that bad boy around my waist. It cinches that little waistline in, and ooh, I'm just cute. So this is Monday's look, and again, I'm just ready to kick the week off on the right foot. Literally. So for Tuesday's look, I am so excited that I got another pair of these faux leather pants from Target by the brand A New Day. If you guys have been rocking out with me, you may remember seeing the same pair of pants. I just had them in a cream color, right? So just super cute. I just really like these pants. Now, one thing about them, guys, I know some people would say faux leather in the summer, and I'm always having to like debunk that idea that faux leather is just too hot for the summer, because these pants are very breezy and they're very thin. They're on the thin side. Therefore, I don't have to worry about getting heated or hot in these pants, and so much so that I wouldn't actually wear these in the winter time because they have no insulation. Like, there's no cloth lining on the inside to keep me warm. So these in the wintertime would actually be too cold, or it would I would be too cold, let me say that, to wear these. But nevertheless, guys, I really like the structure of this little outfit. As you can see, I have on this super cute little button-up top. I've worn it several times here on my channel. I like it because it has these nice broad shoulder pads, and it just gives a lot of structure to the top. Now, paired with this look, I have on my little barely there sandals that I got from Shein. I absolutely love these sandals. You guys have seen them so many times. And then I have on this nice little brown belt that I got from Target, and I'm just carrying my LV bag to complete the look. And I just think that for Tuesday, I feel very, very comfortable. I feel very, very chic, and it's just giving what I want it to give. So I really like Tuesday's look. Now, diving into Wednesday, guys, you know, if you've been rocking out with your girl Jen, I am a lover of the color black. Like, typically I do a black dress like once a week because I think black is one of those colors that A, you cannot get wrong. B, if you dress it just right, it makes it look very, very expensive. And then C, like, everybody looks good in black. Like, it's just an easy go-to color, especially if you don't know what to wear. So here, guys, I have on this super cute little cow neck spaghetti strap, and I'm having to think about it, but this little cow neck spaghetti strap top that I got from the Banana Republic factory. And this top here, guys, I love it because it's the satin top, and I have these in so many colors and so many cuts, because as we go into fall and as I really start to pull my blazers out, this top will help me to pair with blazers very, very effortlessly, and I don't have to worry about being warm, you know, with my blazers on. For the pants, I have on the same pair as the khaki Zara pants, but these are just in a color black. To cover up the spaghetti straps, I have on this linen blazer, this white linen blazer that I got from the Banana Republic factory. I have on some black heels, and then I have on my Gucci Matcha Lace shoulder bag that I'm just wearing not so much as a crossbody, but just as a one-strap shoulder bag over here on the side. And I just think that, again, Wednesday's look is just super, super cute. Now, moving into Thursday, guys, I like to put on a little dress. I try to wear a dress at least once a week because I like to really play on that feminine edge that you get from a dress. This one here I got from Marshall's. It's like this little sage color, like a little seafoam green with little polka dots on it. I really, really like it. It's super cute. And as you can see, I paired it with that little belt bag once again, placed it up high on the waist to really emphasize that waistline. I have on my Gucci Ace B sneakers, and then I have my Gucci Ophidia tote that I wear as a teacher bag. If you've been rocking out with me, then you know that this little bag was what I carried when I went to Los Cabos. I got it as a travel bag, but it also doubles as my teacher bag. I love it because I can fit everything inside, and so whatever I can't get into my little belt bag, just being able to plop those little things down into my teacher work bag just makes for the perfect combination. Now, on that note, guys, I do want to say, don't be afraid to pair sneakers and dresses together. They actually pair together quite nicely, and they just make you very, very comfortable and also really, really chic. So if you're someone who does a lot of walking at work, your business casual attire involves you standing up a lot, and you can wear sneakers on your job, or like a dressy sneakers, dressy flats, whatnot, don't be afraid to pair a nice dress with a nice sneaker because they go together very, very well. All right, guys, so coming up on Friday, I just wanted to look very, very chic, even though I'm dressing down and I'm putting on a pair of jeans. So I have on this really cute little crisp white top that I got from Shein. It's tucked into these jeans that I got from Target. They're by the brand Universal Threads. I once again put on my belt bag. As you can see, I am so in love with it. I just think that she is just so cute, and she fits so many different looks, as you can see. And then I have on my mixed number 6 clear heels that I did get from DSW, and I absolutely rave all the time about how comfortable these heels are. And then that's Friday's look. Just very, very easy, still maintaining that visualizing my highest self and showing up as her every single day, but dressing it down with a pair of jeans. Now, could I have put on a nice Oron flat that I have, or a nice little animal print flat? Yes, I didn't have to go with the heel. I'm not obligated to wear heels, but because I'm not doing as much moving on Friday, because I don't have students on Fridays, those are my days to plan. I just want to put on a little heels just so I can just, you know, keep being that girl, because I just like being that girl. girl. So with that, guys, it actually brings us to the end of this little, it's not a try on, this little get ready with me, as I'm sharing with you what I'm wearing for my first week of school, as I am welcoming in my gifted students for the 22-23 school year. Guys, I thank you so very much for rocking out with your girl Jen. Don't forget that you're going to be following me over on Instagram so that we can connect over there. And also, guys, if you like this vlog, make sure you go ahead right now and smash the like button. Let me know down in the comment section which look or looks were you vibing with the most. And until I catch you in my next vlog video, guys, I will see you in my next vlog. Bye, guys.